What's up, everybody? How are you doing? And welcome to Marketing with Dom. If you don't follow my channel, you already know who I am. I'm the #1 OnlyFans and new age content creator in the business. I just haven't seen anybody else. And every person I've seen, I've taken all their courses, and I'm really underwhelmed by how much actual energy they put in doing so. So, let's not start there. But if you are a killer, you do want to teach, you do want to coach, hit me up. But that's not why we're here today. People want to ask how to work with me one-on-one. But first, let's cut to the intro. Make sure you like, subscribe the video. Let's go. Okay, so now you're back. Welcome to where you're going to be last before you actually make success. Here's what I want to tell you. Nobody you work with is going to be perfect. Nobody you work with is going to just automatically change your life unless you are going to change your life. And that's where we get into work with me and my team one-on-one, like if you're one of our agency clients. We take high percentages of our agency clients because we automate the system and we do it automatic. There's no questions asked. Invoice sent out, we do our job. Invoice sent out, do our job. But there's been people who are also like, can you teach us what you do with those creators who are making 10, 15, 20, $40,000 a month? I'm like, yes, you gotta work with me and my team one-on-one. So we're only opening up 20 spots. No joke. We're only opening up 20 spots because I don't believe that we are going to be able to, at capacity, teach people one-on-one and give them the time that they deserve. So that we are going to take you, if you're only making $1,000, $2,000, maybe only $5,000, and you're trying to figure out how to readjust your strategy, your platform to be able to make $15,000, $20,000, that's what we're gonna break down to you. One, you're gonna have one-on-one strategy meetings with me. You're also gonna have the backup of our #1 promotional buyer who spends over $20,000 a month on our agency every single month on growing our creators. You're also gonna get our strategies, our tip games, everything that we use to get it one-on-one and someone actually to show you how to do it. Like I said, this is you learning from our top creators. It should only take around 3 months for you to truly have a system going. And if you want to continue working with us because you want us to take you to the next level, there you go. But it should only take you about 3 to 4 months to get everything rolling. And some people are like, yo, that's a long time. I don't know. Success is a process, and therefore we look at success for 4-5 years, not success overnight. So if you're looking to get rich quick scheme, not for you. And I apologize because I know you're here like, how do I get rich? Marketing with Domson, like, you know what he's talking about, blah, 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 blah. But I'm not a get rich quick scheme. And I try to stay away from getting on any of these crazy scam lists. They're like, yo, just come to me, know the basics, and get rich. This just doesn't exist, okay? But what I can teach you is the basics of building a business so that you can continuously make money on the platform. And how do you do that? By understanding what you're doing, why you're doing it. If you're just now hitting a top end side, there's processes that we've realized that there's phase for every creator that we've worked with who we've gone to their agency where they're at $5,000, they hit a brick, $10,000, they hit a brick, 15, they hit a brick, 20, they hit a brick, 25, they hit a brick, which means they had to readjust. I mean, a brick wall, like they're like, oh, and they're trying, they can't get through that brick wall. They realize they had to adjust, create something, then break through the brick wall, hit that next income, understand, restructure, go through the brick wall. And that's what you have to understand. And a lot of people are gonna be like, what do you get? You get me, you get my team. You also get our VIP content creator course that we have right now that also is included for you to go learn for yourself and actually get that going. Then you also get to work with all the people that work with our agency as well and get into collaborations and live collaborations and understand. Yo, it's so much. There's so much. But one thing I do guarantee is if you're working with our team, we will increase the amount of income that you are making on the platform because we've worked with hundreds of creators when it comes to one-on-one. We work with thousands of creators when it comes to actually our course and people going through there and starting making money. So just so you know you're in the right place, you know that you want to go to the next level. You want to work with me one-on-one, with me and my team. As I say me, because I'm actually going to be there. A lot of the other trainings I'm not in, I've actually gotten creators who are making money to actually go in there and coach people and actually train them as well. So you already know where to go. Go to marketingwithdom.com, okay? And come work with me and my team one-on-one in this game time. There's only 20 spots left. So do not be the person who's wondering and debating because, when the spots are gone, we can only keep filling them up when there's spots left. So I'll see you guys on the other side. Let's go!